All right, everybody, we are here at the 2020 Corn Palace Festival in Mitchell, South Dakota. Out of the blue, I run into this guy, Alan Shroader from Shroader's Snack Shack.
Yep.
And look what he's cooking on, for crying out loud. He's cooking on a 36-inch Blackstone Griddle.
Philly cheesesteak time. We're going to do her upright. Cheesesteak, #1 seller on our Blackstone right here, buddy. Going to get a nice bun on here. We're going to get a little butter put on it. I love cooking on my Blackstone because it holds the heat for a long time, and even with the wind blowing, it holds heat a lot better than a grill. And then I can beat on it. Let me tell you something, I have beat on this thing as much as I can, chopping these things up. The good thing about a Blackstone, when you got a 36-incher, you just slide this over a little bit, slide her over a little bit, and you throw on your 3rd-pound burger right beside it.
Oh, baby, there you go.
You smash her down to get her flattened out. My seasoning on it.
Burger time.
Burger time.
Cheesesteaks. Got a roll over there.
Oh, look at that cheese melting in there. Now that, guys, is a Philly cheesesteak.
Shroader's Snack Shack Philly cheesesteak, baby. Hot? I can't talk because it tastes so good. Bro, thank you. First thing I tasted is that provolone.
And the meat blends right in there.
Oh man, the juices from the meat soak into the bun. And so, I mean, the bun, the meat's the star of the show, but the bun's the star of the show. We have 2 stars here. And from here in Mitchell, South Dakota at the Corn Palace, we're saying praise the Lord and pass
the cheesesteak.
Pass the cheesesteaks. Of all places to run into Guy Fieri?